video. In this video we are learning how to compare two objects of a class. So by default, let's see this example. We have defined as we have created the one object of the string, and here we have created the second object of the string, and we are comparing the two objects of the string, and we are comparing those two objects with the equals method. So if you explore this equals method of the string, so you will see that the string has by default the equals method. So this is how we are comparing the two objects of a string. But let's consider that we have created a class by our own, and the class has a property like name, age, role. And if let's see we are creating two objects of this class, and we are comparing these two objects. So can we compare it through this equals method? Yes, definitely we can compare this with equals method, but we cannot expect that result as per our expectation. So let's see here, we still we have the access to this equals method, but let's explore this equals method. So if you see that this equals method belongs to this object class. So why we are able to access this equals method of the object class? Because by default this compare objects or any class that we create, it is in by default it is extending this object class. That's why the reason we are able to access this equals method object class. But if you see here, the definition of this equals method, it returns true only when it is the same reference. I mean, if the two references are pointing to the same memory location, so it's comparing the memory location, then only this equals method will return true, otherwise it will return false. So if you see here, we have created two objects of the class of employee1, employee2, and since we have created two objects, so that's why it will point to the it is pointing to the different memory, and the result of this comparing these two objects would definitely be false. Let me let's run this program and see what is the output. The program is running now. See, so two strings are equals, there is no doubt, but here two objects are different. So if you want to compare two objects of a class, in this case what we can do, we can just define our own, we can override this equals method, and see in this equals method we are comparing the properties or attributes of two objects, and one by one, and if all the properties and objects are same, in that case we are returning true, otherwise we are returning the false. Okay, and since we are overriding this, let's run the program now, and let's see if we are getting the desired output. Let's see. Yes, we got the output as a true. So this is how we are able to compare two objects of a class. Thank you.